Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel and this is your September monthly reading. This reading is divided into two halves, first half of September and second half of September to see where is your energy going. And yes, this is a reading for Sun, Moon, Rising Pisces. So please check out your birth chart. Let's see what your first half is telling us. And yes, there is a sign which is very prominent in your reading, which is a Gemini. So Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising you could have, okay, or there is a person who's a Gemini Sun Moon rising. So in the first half, you've got the Ten of Stars and the Hierophant. This card talks about pain, fear, right? Or past hurt that you're still carrying around your love life. If you're already married, maybe you're facing problems. Maybe you don't believe in marriage anymore because of the ups and downs you face in your life. If you're already in a relationship, you must be wondering, I don't know if I'm ever going to get married to this person or not. What is really going on in my life? I also see if you're single, then you have given up all hope. Okay, you just are not sure what's going to happen for you. You're very confused. Okay, very painful, very also stuck in the past. Maybe you're expecting someone to come back, but the good news is Hierophant has come. Now this is a card of marriage, a card of traditional ceremony. So I do see something happening in your life, right? So yes, your belief in marriage will be restored this month. If you are already married, you can have kids, you can have traditional ceremonies around that. I also see if you are in a relationship and you were expecting some sort of marriage, there will be an engagement or marriage this week, or at least you're starting to plan something. If you're single, you can meet your soulmate, the one who you're going to marry this month, and may even get married or just start a new relationship. All the possibilities are there. I know that it is looking impossible right now, right? Because there's a lot of fear around it. Or maybe you're getting married and you're having those jitters, and your past experiences are also affecting your present thinking around, your belief around marriage. But please don't get scared, because your past is not going to repeat itself, right? Whatever happened in the past, your bad relationships, has nothing to do with what is in store for you. This is a very positive and beautiful card when it comes to marriage especially. So yes, whether you're in a situationship, relationship or marriage, this card belongs to you and resonates with you. In the second half, you've got the prophetess, you've also got the eight of stars and the fortitude. There's a little bit of Cancer also there, okay, just a little bit. I do see that this month your intuition will be very strong, okay, around your love or work. You already know what's happening behind the scenes somehow. You're sensing it, okay, you know it. For example, if there's somebody who likes you, right, or you know that, or you like someone, you know that this person likes you back, right? So your intuition is telling you whether they have particularly told you or confessed their feelings or not. I also see that some of you, not all of you, are also going through a lot of difficult times because of your own negative mindset. Okay, whether that's worry around your money, your future, your career, your job, your exams, or your love life as such, or your marriage, right? To the point that it is attracting illness. So some of you can also fall quite ill this month, and you will be like uh, restrained at home, where you will not be able to go out, right? Where you will have to take leave. So please stop overthinking, right? If you are stressing about work, or if you're not taking care of your health, you can attract illnesses this month. So take care of your health. And yes, if there is something that you need to change, which is really affecting your health and overall mind or body, please do it. Fortitude card is asking you to stop overthinking and take action. September is the month to take action, Pisces. Okay, whether that's starting a new relationship, whether that's ending a relationship, whether that's looking for a change of job, whether that's starting a business, or whether that's ending a job or business, right? Whatever it is for you that you want to do, you have to find the strength and courage to do it. Because I do see that this particular problem that you're dealing with is causing you a lot of stress, anxiety, and illness. Okay, you have to stay strong this week. You have to show the strength, the courage to change it, to take action. And I also see that there is a powerful person around you who can really, really help you. whether that's finding a job, whether that's finding a guy, whether that's patching up with an old flame, or whether that's starting a new business or ending, whatever it is that you're overthinking or stressing about, there is somebody who can really help you. It's just that you are too shy, too nervous, or too uncomfortable to ask for help. So this is a month which is also asking you to go forward, ask for help if you need that, because help will come to you. Okay, and yes, you have to take action. This is not the time to sit and think and overthink. This is the time to step out of your comfort zone and take that action. If you do that, automatically your life will change. You will get a lot of power, authority, strength, and your life will be in very much your hands. Like you will get that job, like you will get that partner, right? So yes, it's just that you are lacking the effort. So please take action. This is month which is begging you to take action, right? And yes, it's a very positive month for you because big changes are coming for you. So do comment, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that it reaches you faster. And yes, if you guys resonated with this reading, if you guys like this reading, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. This was a general reading, so if you have very specific questions relating to your life, please book a personal reading with me. It starts only at 215 rupees, where you will be easily able to ask your question. And yes, if you want an audio video call session, that is also available with me. I do have various rituals available to remove the blockages, to manifest the desires, and spiritual counseling sessions as well. So please go ahead, check out the description box. To make any booking, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or directly follow and DM me on Instagram, which is the Moksha Tarot. So please, guys, take care of yourself. Amazing month, you guys. So I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.